In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto post on Planoly in just 5 minutes. First things first, let's talk about Planoly. It's a genius tool for social media planning and management that helps keep your social media posts organized and sent out on time without you having to manually do it each day. Perfect for those of us with busy schedules or anyone looking to streamline their social media strategy. To get started, you'll need to head over to the Planoly website. Once you're there, look for the login option. You'll see it's pretty straightforward to find. Just hover over the login button on the home page. This will get you ready for the next step. Now it's time to access your social planner. This is where all your planned posts will live, waiting for their turn to go live. Click on Social Planner to move forward. If you're not logged in yet, you'll need to fill out your information. Ensure you type in your login details correctly, then hit Login to access your dashboard. If you're new to Planoly, you might need to sign up first. But don't worry, it's a quick process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Planoly Social Content Planner. This is essentially your command center for planning and managing your posts. It's pretty intuitive once you get the hang of it. Ready to schedule a new post. Click on New Post. This is where the magic starts, as you'll begin to create content that will automatically go live at your chosen time. Now for the crucial part, selecting your date and time. It's essential to plan your content according to your audience's most active hours for maximum engagement. Spend a moment thinking about when your audience is most likely to be online, then select a date and time that aligns with this. Make sure your post is set to auto post. This feature is the heart of automated scheduling. With auto post enabled, you won't need to manually push your content live. Planoly takes care of that for you, making sure your post goes out precisely when you want it to. Once you've got your timing down, it's time to create your content. In the text box, type out what you want to say in your post. This could be anything from an engaging question to your audience, a tip or piece of advice, or details about a new product or service you're offering. Next up, add a file. This could be an image or video that complements your post. Adding visually appealing content can significantly boost engagement, so choose something that represents your message well and grabs attention. Finally, once your post is looking just how you want it, with the right message, the perfect timing, and a captivating image or video, click on Schedule. This is the last step in the process. By doing this, you're telling Planoly to go ahead and add your post to the queue, ready to be automatically published at the date and time you've set. And just like that, you've scheduled a post to go live without needing to be at your computer or on your phone to push it out. Auto posting on Planoly not only saves you time, but also helps keep your social media strategy on track, ensuring you're consistently engaging with your audience. Remember, consistency is key in social media. Tools like Planoly make it easier to maintain that consistency by allowing you to plan ahead and automate the posting process. This way you can focus more on creating engaging content and less on the logistics of posting it. I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of Planoly and brings a bit of ease and efficiency to your social media management. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most of your social media.